68% of customers want to learn about new products through a short video, but existing video formats drive extremely low clicks or leads. What if you could reward people for watching a video? Please welcome the game changer, Vieworks. This is how it works. Watch the video, earn a perk. You add custom branded overlay to your video. User watches the video and gets a gift. Just like that. Watch the video, earn a perk. What does your consumer get? E-candy, VIP experiences, coupons, competitions, exclusive content, loyalty points, giveaways, discounts, charity donations. What does the brand get? Trust, sales, referrals, customers, brand affinity, data, attention. On top of that, get a 300 increase in video engagement. Easy. Watch a video, earn a perk. Get yours now at PitchGround.com.